Here are some tips for removing a tan from your skin. Exfoliate regularly to remove dead skin cells that may be contributing to the appearance of the tan. Apply lemon juice to the affected area, as it contains natural bleaching properties. Try using aloe vera gel, which has been known to lighten pigmentation and help remove a tan. Make a mixture of equal parts honey and yogurt and apply it to the affected area, leaving it on for 15 to 20 minutes before washing it off. The use of sandalwood powder and rose water is also known to be effective in removing a tan. Use a sunscreen with a high SPF to protect your skin from further tanning. It's important to note that these methods may take some time to show results. It may take several weeks to see a noticeable difference. And also, it is recommended to consult a dermatologist if the tan is too severe or if you have any concerns about skin. Here are a few more tips for removing a tan from your skin. Try using a skin lightening cream that contains ingredients like hydroquinone or kojic acid, which can help to lighten the appearance of tanned skin. However, these products should only be used under the guidance of a dermatologist. Use cucumber juice on the affected area, as it can help to lighten the skin and reduce the appearance of a tan. Make a mixture of gram flour and curd and apply it to your skin. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before washing it off. This can help to lighten the appearance of a tan. Try using a mixture of honey, turmeric powder, and milk. Honey has natural moisturizing properties. Turmeric is known for its skin lightening properties, and milk can help to nourish the skin. Avoid prolonged sun exposure and always wear protective clothing, such as long-sleeved shirts and pants, as well as a wide-brimmed hat, to protect your skin from further damage. Consider taking a cool shower or bath, rather than a hot one, as hot water can dry out the skin and make the tan appear more pronounced. As before, these methods may take some time to show results, and it's important to know that not all methods works the same way on different person. It's a good idea to try a small patch test before using any of these methods on a large area of your skin. And also, it is recommended to consult a dermatologist if the tan is too severe or if you have any concerns about your skin.